We're headed to the Swan and Dolphin Hotel here. This is the Dolphin Resort. You can see the big dolphin on top. This is the actual hotel we stayed at. In front of you, you'll see that this is the front view of our Dolphin Hotel. This is the waterfall. This is the hotel that we're staying at. I'll try to show you the whole hotel. I mean, the thing is massive. It's a beautiful resort. Here is another view of the Dolphin, of the hotel that we stayed at. You'll notice the unique waterfall in the front. The boat is coming in for tourists. One of many pools that they do have at this hotel. Nice waterfall. They even got a slide for the kids. I'm on the upper level. It's a bridge that actually goes right over the pool. There's two of them. Standing in the lobby of the Dolphin Hotel. Behind me is where Santa Claus would actually sit for the little kids here. The Christmas tree is made out of real poinsettias. Instead of the Polar Express, here's the Dolphin Express. We are at the Galleria Sautel in the Dolphin Hotel. I'll show you some of the artwork. You'll see the glass sculptures. They're beautiful. It's an ocean wave. Here's Schuler's Steakhouse. This is the place that we ate dinner at. Here is Schuler's menu. I'm showing you the prices and what they have available. This is Cheryl reporting from TomGreen.com, the channel. Now back to you in the studio, Tom.